Historical development of a computer. As we all know, even before most of us were born, computers have been in existence, except if you are over 100 years old. In view of this, as the world is evolving, things in the world are also changing. In this episode, we're going to learn about the evolution of computers. From the workplace to the home, the computer is rapidly becoming an indispensable tool. What is this device that is becoming so important, and how does it work? The answers lie in the history of its development and some rather simple electronics and mathematics. When humans learned to count, they probably started using fingers, then they graduated to the use of pebbles and sticks. Therefore, allow us to take you down the memory lane of the development of a computer. The following are the various stages. Abacus. This is known as the first calculating device and can do basic arithmetic like addition and subtraction. It was invented by the Chinese. Napier's bone. This tool allows multiplication which cannot be performed on an abacus. The interesting thing is that it consists of a set of 11 rods made with bones with 4 sides each. Slide rule. Napier's invention led directly to slide rule. This allows rapid multiplication and division of numbers. Pascal's calculator. This is the first mechanical calculating machine invented by Blaise Pascal. It is used for addition and subtraction of up to 8 numbers. Leibniz calculator. Invented by Baron von Leibniz. This device can multiply, divide, add, and subtract. Jacquard's loom. This is one of the first machines that were run by a program. It uses punch cards to store information. Its major function is to automatically produce textile designs as per the program on the punched card. Charles Babbage analytical engine. This machine was used to solve polynomial equations using a numerical method called the method of difference. Eman Ullerith tabulating machine. Eman Ullerith is referred to as the father of punch cards processing. This device was used in the processing of data from the 1890 US Census. We will just mention the following examples of early computers just for us to have knowledge that they also existed. ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. EDVAC, Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. UNIVAC 1, Universal Automatic Computer. The history of computer development is often referred to in reference to the different generations of computing devices. We have 5 generations of computers, which are: first generation, 1940 to 1956. This used vacuum tubes. Second generation, 1956 to 1963. They used transistors. Third generation, 1964 to 1971. This used integrated circuits. Fourth generation, 1971 to present day. This used microprocessors. Fifth generation. This refers to the future of computing, where quantum computing is used. After a lot of talk about the first set of computers, it is time to talk about what is now in vogue. Desktop personal computer. A desktop computer is a personal computer in a form intended for regular use at a single location table due to its size and power requirements. Laptop and notebook computer. A laptop is a portable personal computer with a clamshell form factor suitable for mobile use. A laptop combines the components and inputs as a desktop computer, including display, speakers, keyboards, and pointing devices, such as touchpad in a single device. Laptops are bigger than notebooks. Palm-top computers. A small computer that literally fits in your palm. Our discussion on development of computer will not be complete if we fail to talk about the various types of computers based on sizes and capacity. Personal computer. A small, single-user computer based on a microprocessor. Workstation. A powerful, single-user computer. A workstation is like a personal computer, but it has a more powerful microprocessor and, in general, a higher quality monitor. Mini computer. A multi-user computer capable of supporting up to hundreds of users simultaneously. Mainframe. A powerful multi-user computer capable of supporting many hundreds or thousands of users simultaneously. Supercomputer. An extremely fast computer that can perform hundreds of millions of instructions per second. Although this module was really long, with a lot of history and stories here and there, it was worth every single minute you dedicated to it. In summary, we learned about development of a computer from the abacus, which can only do addition and subtraction, to supercomputers that will blow your mind with their functions, generations of computers, modern computers, and finally, types of computers.